Glitch on YouTube. Creators are using this sound to go viral. Don't believe me? I'm gonna show you proof right now. There's hundreds of people using it every day. I only get a couple thousand views, but when I use this sound, I got 1.9 million. This creator gets anywhere from 5 to 4,000 views, but when they use this sound, they got 400K. This creator gets anywhere from a couple hundred to 100K, but when he used this sound, he got 2.4 million. This creator only gets a couple hundred views, but when they use this sound, they got 3 million in the first day. Don't say I'm not putting you on game, because you need to use this before it's too late.